Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make grow and turn animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make the grow and turn animation. At first select the text box and go to the animation menu. Now we can see here many animation. Now I am select the grow and turn. Now I am select another text box and select the grow and turn. You can change the duration of the animation, otherwise change the one click option with previous or after previous. Then we want to check the preview at once, select preview option and wait some moment. Now we can see we make grow and turn animation very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.